Hello. Welcome back to channel. The 2025 Honda NC750X is here, and it's packed with new updates that make it a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile, adventure-ready bike. Honda has given the NC750X a fresh design for 2025, with an updated front end featuring sharp, angular lines and new LED headlights. The adjustable windscreen provides better wind protection, while new color options give the bike a modern, stylish look. Under the hood, the 745cc parallel twin-engine remains, offering smooth power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. With about 58 horsepower, it's perfect for both city commuting and longer trips. For those who prefer convenience, the NC750X comes with an optional DCT, dual-clutch transmission, making it easy to ride without the need for manual shifting. The bike's handling has been improved with a lightweight steel tube frame and long travel suspension, ensuring comfort and stability on various terrains. The 2025 model also continues to use the 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear, providing excellent stability, whether you're riding through city streets or exploring light off-road paths. The 2025 NC750X also comes with a full-color TFT display for better visibility, along with Bluetooth connectivity for navigation, music, and calls. Safety features include Honda's advanced traction control system, ABS, and optional ride modes, which make the bike even more stable and predictable in different conditions. Overall, the 2025 Honda NC750X is a great all-rounder. It's perfect for commuters, touring enthusiasts, and light adventurers alike. With its smooth power delivery, comfort, and modern tech, the NC750X is sure to impress riders of all levels. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think the 2025 NC750X is your next adventure bike? If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest motorcycle news and reviews.